Shanghai Gofun Machinery Company is an incorporated company with strong technical research and development capabilities of new products. Through integration of absorbing advanced mechanical design and automation control technology from Europe and America, Gofun Company has achieved a comprehensive technology upgrade in the processing technology and equipment improvements for fruit juice, puree, paste, dried fruits, juice drinks. We design and manufacture the whole fruit and vegetable processing and packaging line. We provide the reasonable solution and the optimal designs according to the customer's exact situation and requests. Manufacturing quality equipment is our basic duty. Focusing on customers' every need and providing the solution is the value we represent. Gofun Company provides the turnkey solution for not only the tomato paste production line, but also the processing and packaging lines for tomato, apple, pear, peach, mango, pineapple, carrot, strawberry, and apricot, and has received widespread praises from customers in both the domestic and overseas markets. The machines have already been exported to over 20 countries, including USA, Spain, France, Serbia, Georgia, Colombia, Mexico, Algeria, Nigeria, Thailand. Gofun Company aim to create quality food machinery and contribute to the world's agricultural industry. We sincerely committed ourselves to a brilliant prospect and mutual benefit relationship with all of the company and friends from worldwide.
Welcome to Shanghai Gofun. Let's feed the world together.